In this lecture, we are going to talk regarding dynamic search ads. So now, if you ask me on what is DSA or dynamic search ad, so basically dynamic search ads are a type of Google Ads campaign that automatically generate ad headlines and landing page based on the content of a website. So if a page has a different content, your ad will be automatically adjusted and fluctuated as per the landing page of that page. So what primarily where DSAs are being used are basically e-commerce stores with thousands of products, websites with well-written content, and have ample of products where it's not practically possible to create individual ad for each of your landing page, but it is necessary to target those pages. You may have seen big websites like Walmart or Amazon may sometimes use DSA ads, which automatically fluctuates depending upon the user query, and then on the landing page the ad keep on fluctuates. Let me show you an example, then I'm going to tell you how you can create it. So for this, you may see over here, if someone searches for cyber security service, you may see that now this is automatically being regenerated based on the query you searched and based on the content available on the landing page on IBM website. It's not difficult at all to create dynamic search ads, but ideally it's only for those big or large websites where it's not practically possible to create a separate landing page for each query or to create a separate ad for each landing page. So if you ever want to create your own dynamic search ad, the procedure is very easy and anyone can do it. Let's get started on how we can do it. So this is our dashboard of a regular Google Ads account. What you have to do to create the dynamic search ad is simply move on to your campaign page, and on the campaign page you may see your search campaign over here. So now this is because DSA means dynamic search ad, so it's only for search ads. So what you have to do is to go to your campaign settings by going to your campaign settings and wait a while it gets loaded. So once the settings are loaded, you can simply scroll below and you may see the option of over here dynamic search ads. Get automated search targeting and customized ad based on your website. So you may see over here dynamic search ads. Dynamic search ads use your URL to automatically create ads to match people searches. DSA will use all URLs Google know about your website to use specific URL to add a page feed. So what we are going to do is going to add the website over here. So you may see once we try to add it. So now you see that your dynamic search ad has been created, and now it will automatically create different ads to match people's searches. So whatever they are searching, your URL, your headline and your ad description will automatically be changed as I have shown you in my slide like this over here. So this is a very quick and easy way on how you can create your own Google dynamic search ads. The references are being shown over here. Thank you for watching.